everybody, my name is Cecelia and I'm a guide from Lake Trails, and today we are going to be identifying and planting native plants. Native plants are so great for a lot of reasons. The first being they are super easy to take care of because they're already in their natural environment. This means that they require little to no mowing, pesticides, or fertilizers. And then in addition to this, when you plant native plants, you're not only protecting that specific species, but other plant, animal, and insect species in that ecosystem as well. On a larger scale, native vegetation can even prevent erosion and protect from toxic runoff going into our watersheds, especially in urban areas. These are just a few of the benefits of maintaining native plants in Minnesota, along with everywhere else. The natives that I'm going to be planting in my garden today, I picked up from a local gardening store, and they are more geared towards bees, as you can see, but that doesn't really matter. If you want to do this yourself, plant natives in your own backyard, you can pick them up like this where they're already growing, or you can get even packs of seeds. So as you can see, I've separated all of the natives so I can introduce them one by one. And this one is called Blue Wild Indigo and will grow up to have blue flowers and be kind of a shrubby-like plant. This is a wild petunia that's going to end up having pink flowers when it matures. And I bet a lot of you are familiar with other petunias that we grow in pots during the summer, but those are more of like a hybrid kind made for summer planting. And then this guy right here is called Foxglove Beard Tongue, which will end up having white flowers eventually. This one right here is called Anise Hyssop, and it already has a blue flower, purple flower as you can see, and spiky leaves make it kind of unique. This one right here is going to be more viney. It's a wild clematis, and actually I have a non-wild clematis here in the background. That's what they look like. The last one is this little guy right here that I didn't want to take out of the tin, and that's Prairie Smoke, and it's going to have pink cup-shaped flowers when it matures. So these guys are all going in my garden here, and I'll show you in just a second. I also just want to mention that it's important that the type of native that you're planting corresponds to the area that you're planting in, because while these plants that I've showed you may show up as we near Lake of the Woods, they're more geared towards the prairie and preserving the prairie, which is more appropriate for the area that I'm planting in right now. So you just kind of have to be careful about where you're putting what to get the best return in your plants. You can take similar steps to help restore, protect, and preserve the natural environment in Minnesota or wherever you live. So thank you for watching.